Hi guys, welcome to my Bitesize Excel video. Throughout my channel, I'll be creating a number of different videos talking through different elements of Excel, how you might use it, how you use different functions, and so on and so forth. However, in this video, I'm going to give a very brief introduction to Excel and some of the terminology that you might find useful to know. So when you open Microsoft Excel, you will be presented with typically be presented with a welcome screen, which will have a number of different options for you to select from down the side here, recent spreadsheets that you've opened, an option to select another workbook on your computer, a couple of tutorials from Microsoft, and a number of different freely available templates. The templates you typically find here are anything from budgets, so there's a personal monthly budget here, a household monthly budget, through to things like to-do lists and Gantt charts. If there's a particular type of template that you would like, for example, if you'd like a different type of budget template, you can search for it in this bar at the top here. And it will search literally thousands of online templates, and you can pick something that potentially suits you or search through these categories on the side. So you might want a personal budget, and we'll come back up with a whole different range of options. However, for the most part, most people want to use Excel to manage their own data, and to get the best out of Excel, you're probably best off starting with a blank workbook. So when you come into your blank workbook, there's a couple of different terms that is probably useful to know. Excel is arranged as with a series of worksheets, so these are these sheets at the bottom, so you can add more. So you have sheet 1, sheet 2, and you can rename these as you see fit, and they all combine together to make up a workbook, which is essentially your Excel spreadsheet. Now, on each worksheet, you have your columns, which are all lettered, so it goes from A to Z, and then starts again at AA, AB, and will go all the way down, well, XFD apparently. And then you've got your rows, which are all numbers, and they go all the way down to well over 1 million. Now, at the intersection of every row and column, you have a cell, and every cell in Excel has a name. So for example, column G, row 8 is called G8. Similarly, column M, row 15 is called M15, and you can see the name up here in this little box in the top left-hand corner. Excel is also arranged into a series of tabs from the Home tab, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, and View. There's obviously also a Help tab. And each of these tabs then opens up what is called a ribbon. And a ribbon has a number of different groups in it. And because there are so many different options in Excel in terms of what you can do with your spreadsheet, many of these groups also have these little pop-out buttons in the bottom corner, and this will open up further options. So for example, if you go into the font, it will open out a whole other different load of options for your font. So that's the general layout of the tabs and the ribbon in Excel. Another thing that's probably useful to know is down the bottom right hand corner here, there is a little slider that allows you to zoom in or zoom out. You can also click on the little percentage box and actually select the level of zoom that you want it to go to. Obviously, throughout the videos on my channel, we'll be looking into more detail on all the different options that are available in your ribbon and throughout Excel in general. I hope that you have found this introductory video really useful, and if you have, please do leave a comment. Let me know what you might like me to cover in future videos, and hopefully I will see you on the next video.